fire is one of the most important things to really yeah, fast fire. But again, one of the most elements as well. Like every day we get things that we around we will lead fire. We will create fire. Get moving with around we get here with around, and now we just start the electrical work here. Nobody know the way we bring that one. Nobody know the way that one happen. But we find out we ready one in case like that happen. So now because of that one we decide to say no we get gonna dry season worker. And any dry season all over where you want, all over the world or even Australia, fire accident is very hard. Because when dry season is bad, everything is bad. No way, no day. We any small thing will do, they expect they need fire. What will you do with current? What will you do with fire? What will you do with now the still responsible for fire. What we call a fire rectangular. Then I want a heat, oxygen with a breeze, with fear. With fear, we will be in the range from this one, the wood, like fear. Wood, like fear. Petrol, like fear. So, like a generic term. Though we always use the way they say fear, and I think no, this is not fear. Now something where they ignite fire. And that thing where they ignite fire. Well, we work, most of the work in a house. If you see where the one where they use for 3-1 hot fire, they put aside the up and cover with it cover it hot because breeze on the inside, the oxygen on the inside. So that one they responsible. Now the thing that they responsible. And aside here, that thing they're always responsible for fire. We get her. So because of that one, we decide say we will get training like this. When everybody will get our own, we will repeat that again so let everybody aware. Okay. We company get a procedure what we follow in case of incident like this. When incident like this happen, the alarm, the first thing what we do, we try to make sure we evacuate everybody, pull everybody out of the compound. We get it within a safe place. Okay, now it's safe the way we call emergency point. From there, we call a roster. The roster, now we name them, we call everybody name. We know say this person will be carried today, and they will say we call them. That we don't know say nobody knows the way they inside the other. From there, we communicate directly to fire force in case the fire force they are around. The reason why we get in small fire extinguishers, in case there is a minor fire, more people will solve our routine safe. But we get procedures that we use in case the place here that we lock that the fire accident happens. Always make sure say the exit what we call the ingress for you know, let it be clear. Because let you not trap within the fire. If you say you the pet fire, the remote by the remote is up, not by the remote is up beside the fire. The fire become very big, you are hard to pass fire. So I make sure the way they get fire, they always be safe, play safe, or let you run come up in case it becomes very serious. You know the block outside it for run come up. Therefore, if you say no way no they collect clear you able to not enter the fire, run and come out of the fire. The life important part is but the reason why we use all of that training is now for let you know they might not fire the way they have to let them go, you know, beat you to other things. If you get a skill, if you're able to face them. Then fire extinguishers We get different fire extinguishers. The fire extinguishers. We get A, B, C, and D fire extinguisher. The A fire extinguisher working in a rectangle. But like when you watch this extinguisher here, so like I can see, you see the mixer A, B, which means the A not only fire away they caused by wood or the rubbish, the paper or that, them go now in the cable fence, the B now fire away caused by the way here the pump, the cable pointing at the cable. The C now fire away caused by where they lead to we call the electrical shock. So like extinguishers they really they by different types, they fire extinguishers. They get by different types. And each type gets a color. Where then they draw exactly part of the description where this they get most often. They draw by like this you understand that A, B, C, and E. Understand? They combine and draw. They get some fire extinguisher when are only A. So we need for like be conscious of that type of fire extinguisher. Because let it not be electrical shock, then you don't go to every extinguisher and say, I can't get fire. We so say now the only one way we will hot. Now fire will be caused by A. We not like this board, the paper, the simple just come in, just spray the A and it can go. So therefore, now the theory is important, but when we fight fire, we use extinguisher. We get a method where they work on PASS, pass. What in pass means? Press and pull the safety, this P. The aim after you don't pull the P, you aim at the base of the fire. What would it mean? Aim at the base of the fire. You know, say where fire they go up. This one, the wood now outside the fire cage. The wood now at the base of the fire. So that then you aim, not on the flame. Because when you send out the flame, you observe say it come back to you, or it go right up. That's right. When you aim at it, it go right up. Because not on the base. Now we say in the cage. Then they say squeeze. It is squeeze. At the top, squeeze and now wise as you spray, you don't just spray one side. You spray that is sweet. Scatter all over. That's that. Now
short fire like where they happen, waiting at the first way after you don't know the nature of the fire, the picture of the extreme. You don't aim at the fire, it came off. So when you aim at the fire, it came off. You can get a flame within them where they go back to the what's the blow, they come back to you. No one shot in the planet, the hot fire. So what you did at the bottom side here, inside the wood yard, I did the participate the fire extinguisher. So you remove this thing. Now I don't know. You remove this thing.
whole lot of safety here. In fact, you don't need.
That's how this guy. No problem.
So meaning you hand said you say take long to get like someone wait back.
Okay. Shall be by the
Now the base. You are ready to fire. You don't get emergency like this. Fire emergency like this. You can't. You get a pin away. If you say it's very hard to go, you get a pin away. You go then you don't take this. This extinguisher, you don't take. This one.
李总，当时你去我们那个房子那，
好。
You get for like position yourself very well, and you will be comfortable when you do it. Like that. Like this one. See? Inside the base, down the base. Sometimes even they don't here to the base. The bread.
You don't dry.
Don't dry. Not like this.
Fire!